Hey friends, welcome back to the Quizzer Cat. Can you guess all the car parts in 10 seconds? Only true expert can make it to the final one. Hit subscribe and let's kick things off with some easy levels for warm-up. You can see this car part in every car. Can you recognize it? Is it a windshield wiper, shock absorber, or door handle? That's right, windshield wiper. Essential for clear vision in the rain. Take a good look. What part is this? Easy one. It's the brake disc, the key to slowing down safely. Bonus round. Can you tell which of these 3 pedals is the brake? Bang on! It's the one in the middle. All right, what about this one? Is it the gearbox brake fluid reservoir or battery? Yep, that's the battery, the heart of your car's electrical system. Let's go under the car. What's this pipe for? Nice! It's the muffler. Keeps that engine roar in check. Which one here is the fog light? White, yellow, or red? You got it. The yellow one. Fog lights help you see in low visibility conditions. Here comes a super simple one. What's this? Obviously, it's the seatbelt. Buckle up. Safety first. Now this is tricky. Is this a spark plug, a fuse, or a ball bearing? Right on. That's the spark plug. It kicks off the combustion process. What are we looking at here? Yes, that's the speedometer. Tells you exactly how fast you're flying down the road. Pop quiz. Can you tell which brand this car belongs to? BMW, Ferrari, or Lamborghini? Boom! That's Lamborghini. That design is impossible to miss. Check out this button. What's it for? Correct. That's the hazard switch, for flashing all your lights in an emergency. What about this lever here? Yep, that's the gear shifter. Controls your transmission. Another lever for you. Any guesses? That's the handbrake lever. Keeps your car from rolling away. Look closely. You've probably seen this every day, even if you don't drive. Haha, it's the horn. Honk if you guessed right. Know what it is? It's the air filter. Keeps dust and debris out. Here's a tricky one. Guess the part from this optical illusion. Squint a little. Nice! That's a wheel. Classic and essential. Let's talk switches. What are these buttons for? Yes, sir. That's the window switch, up or down with just a click. What part of the front end is this? Know it? Exactly. It's the grill. Let's air through to cool your engine. This one's familiar to any driver or passenger. What is it? You got it! That's the cigarette lighter. Old school, but still around. Next up, what's this switch panel used for? Climate control, turbo switch, or master light switch? That's it. Master light switch. Manages all your car's exterior lighting. Let's keep it rolling. What's this tube with a mini fan attached? Yes, that's a turbocharger. It boosts your engine power by pushing in compressed air. All right, can you guess this filter-looking part? Is it an oil filter, air filter, or oil cooler? Nailed it! It's the oil filter. Keeps your engine oil clean and running smooth. And what about this metallic container? Any guesses? That's the fuel tank, where your gas lives. Moving on, what's this part that helps with a smooth ride? Correct. It's the shock absorber. Absorbs bumps and keeps the drive comfy. This one's tougher. Can you name this solid metal structure? Bang on. That's the engine block, the core of every engine. Here's a tricky one. What's the name of this belt? That's the timing belt. It keeps your engine components perfectly in sync. And this one? Recognize it? Yes, that's the fuse box. Protects the car's electrical system from overloads. Bonus round. Can you spot the car logo hidden in this illusion? Look closely. It's Subaru. Well done. Next part up. Can you guess what this cylindrical piece is? Absolutely! That's the piston. It moves up and down to power your car. Now, what's this grill-like piece with pipes? That's the radiator. Helps keep your engine cool under pressure. This one's for real car buffs. Know what this is? Of course. That's the gearbox. Shifts power through the gears. Check out this twisted metal rod. Name it. It's the crankshaft. Converts piston movement into rotation. device that powers up your system. It's the alternator. Charges the battery and powers electronics when the engine's on. And this long bar-like part. That's the drive shaft, delivers power from the engine to the wheels. Final bonus level. Can you guess the exact model of this car just by looking? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see who's a true expert. That's a wrap. How many levels did you crush? Share your score below and hit subscribe for more awesome car challenges. Ready for the next quiz? Let's go! See you there!